The sad truth about LDR. Introduction muna. Number 1 point. LDR violates divine law. Ito yung mga spiritual na batas.
Design ni God.
Nakalagay sa Holy Scripture na pag nag-asawa ka raw, dalawa ang kailangan mong gawin. Number 1 is to leave your parents. Mahabang topic yan. Daming problema ng mga couples sa in-laws kasi they never leave the family home. Pangalawa, cleave. To stick together. Pag nag-marry ka raw, leave your parents, stick to your wife. So, LDR totally violates. Alam mo ngayon, and we're reading ngayon the comments, a lot of people are saying, anong gagawin namin? Anong gagawin namin? Nabuntis ng asawa ko yung ganito, may iba siyang babae, may ilang kaming anak, blah, blah,
Basta ang
blah.
dami-daming problems. But the basic bottom line is,
Because violate yung law. May design talaga si God sa ganyan eh, na kayo talaga yung type. Pag sinabing stick together, financial, emotional, physical. Pangalawa, LDR hits one emotional need, only
out
one.
of the 10.
Out of the 10. Itong last week, yung his needs, her needs, pinalabas namin dyan yung 10 emotional needs. Now, LDR, ang number 1 reason na positive kaya yan ginagawa is for the money. Walang opportunity sa Pilipinas,
Yes.
naghihirap na yung pamilya ko. Tama naman. Pero eto yung reality. Tinatamaan mo yung financial support, yung bibigay ako ng pera sa pamilya. Pero,
What about the other 9?
yung pinaka-top na nasisira according to every horror story na nakita namin sa LDR is man's need for sex.
And this is a need that women might not understand fully. Kasi hindi tayo lalaki eh. Pero iba talaga yung need nila for that.
99.999999999% ng LDR nagloloko one of the partners or both. This is RM, Relationship Matters.
Your online ninong and ninang saying, wag
Pera-pera lang ang pagkuha ng ninong at nina.